and breaches.
Where the digital hits the physical, we take the red pill, we break the seal. Infallible security, making it real. Right about to party on the mic tonight, turning the darkness into light.
Let us talk about God mode. In video games, God mode means you can't die. You can walk through walls and you can reshape the level. In the data center, God mode is the management plane. CISA just warned us about HPE OneView, CVE 2025-37164, another 10.0. OneView is a software that manages the physical servers. It sits below the operating system. It tells the metal what to do. To understand this, we have to talk about rings of security. Ring 3 is your applications: Chrome, Word, React. Ring 0 is your operating system kernel: Windows, Linux. This is where we think the power lies. But there is a ring -1. This is the firmware, the hypervisor, the management plane. HPE OneView lives in ring -1. Think about your security stack. You have antivirus, you have EDR, endpoint detection and response, you have firewalls. Where do those tools live? They live in ring 0 or ring 3. They live in the operating system. If you hack the website, React, you own the app. If you hack the management plane, OneView, you own the physics of the data center. You can wipe the storage arrays. You can reimage the servers. You can turn off the cooling fans and melt the processors. And here is a nightmare scenario: persistence. If I hack your Windows OS, you can just wipe the hard drive and reinstall Windows. The virus is gone. But if I hack the management plane, I am not on the hard drive. I am on the motherboard. I am in the silicon. You can wipe the hard drive. You can buy a new hard drive. You can reinstall Windows 1,000 times. But the moment you turn that machine back on, I am still there. I am the ghost in the machine's soul. And the scariest part, your fancy EDR tools, they can't see this. They are looking out the window for burglars, while the monster is coming up through the floorboards. This is the Matrix analogy. Neo isn't fighting Agent Smith inside the simulation anymore. Neo has gone to the machine city. He is talking to the source. He is rewriting the code of the Matrix itself. When an attacker exploits HPE OneView, they are at the source. They can delete the logs that would prove they were ever there. They can turn off the defenses with a single command. When you have a 10.0 in the app layer, React, and a 10.0 in the metal layer, HPE, you don't have a security posture. You have a sandwich, and you are the meat. The attackers are eating us from the top down and the bottom.
The signal is loud, the lesson it teaches.